fan.
Kevin is replacing a 2013 Hyundai Sonata radiator. Radiator tutorial.
Things you're gonna have to remove: air box, this brace right here, and remove the fans. Once you unplug it right here, which goes right here, unplugs out of there, push that clip down and slide it off. Remove this radiator hose from it as well, 10 millimeter.
Watch out, y'all, watch out.
And the biggest part is the coolant drain. It's right down here. It's a little white plug down here in the bottom. All right, for a second. Right down here in the bottom is, once it focuses, there is a little white drain for a cock down there. That sounded all kind of wrong. But once you turn that, it drains out at the bottom. You can't really focus. There you go, kinda. But yeah, you kind of see it in there. But once you drain it and open it up, the petcock, it drains out into your bucket. All 10 millimeter screws.
Y'all can go play. Y'all want to play?
Who's already playing?
Yeah, you see, remove the screw right there.
There's one on the other side.
Y'all go play. Y'all see you trying to work on it.
You already got your check things.
Oh.
So once you have that,
You had Jay.
it unclips at the bottom.
I get fan
Press the clip down to release it. And once you got room, once you take this off, it'll come straight out.
It is off, as you can see. It was very hot, so let it cool. If you just pop your hood and you cut your car off or anything, let that motherfucker cool down. Cause you gonna motherfucker.
Radiator holds a small amount of radiator fluid in it. Not radiator fluid, transmission fluid. Because it cools through the radiator system. question is, how much are we gonna lose today?
Mm.
Is it gonna be a half a quart or a whole quart?
We'll see. Let's see.
Can of war.
I look on the video. I look on the.
Can of war. Can of war.
I see it on the video. So you gonna see it, baby.
One way or the other.
One way or the other.
So now everything will come out the bottom because of gravity. The majority of that, I should say. So these lines ain't never been off since built. And grab it a little bit, just give it a little twist. You see it move a little bit, it'll slide off. Yeah, that's all you gotta do, just give it a little twist. You ain't gotta squeeze it hard. Just enough to grab it and hold it in one spot. Yep, slide right off. I think I got that cardboard down there. Gonna catch some of it. Yeah. Ooh, they're trying to make them black as hell.
Don't probably be like that.
Nah, I need clean flush.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the top one. I ain't got the bottom off. Yeah, it smell burn.
What you think that?
Position hold. You got two rubber grommets down here in the very bottom of the car, the subframe, right there and one right there, and that's what keeps it isolated from the metal frame so it doesn't crack. So all you do is just slide that back in the same way you slid the other one out, and once everything lines up, it just drops in place. So you drop it in place where it gets into the rubber, then tilt it back so you can rehang your condenser back into place. So it's got 4 hooks it's gonna sit on, and it just slides back into it. And once it slides into it, that's it. Voila, back in place. So she's ready to make money. That's sitting in there, so you put these back on. Put this one back on.
Be quiet. Quiet, I don't go in there. What you want now?
That's all bad. I'm gonna cut all that back. I'm gonna cut it back.
Okay.
I'm telling them.
And then everything lines up like this, the screw holes. And then just run the screws in it, and everything mounts back into place. Let's spin this one around. And just like that, that's how easy it is.
Y'all go back in the house. So they see what screws.
Nah, it don't matter. It ain't going in but one way.